In this video, we will learn how to use AWS API Gateway to host a static HTML page. To get started, go to your AWS console and navigate to API Gateway. If you haven't already done so, create a new REST API. Next, create a resource with a name that corresponds to your HTML page. Be sure to remove any dashes from the name so that you can access the page using a HTML extension. Once you have created the resource, create a GET method. In the method response section, change the content type of the response body to text HTML. Next, in the integration response section, delete the existing status row and create a new row. In the bottom section of the integration response page, click on Mapping Templates and change the type to text HTML. You can then enter your HTML content. Save your changes and deploy the API. And that's it. You can now access your static HTML content without having to host it yourself. Thank you for watching.